Hi, I'm Travis Grubb, Field Product Specialist for Ontario with Kubota Canada. Today I have the DMC8547 behind us. This is Kubota's to date largest center pivot trailed disc mower conditioner. This adds to the line, adding 2 new units to our line of 3 existing models, which is the 8532, 8536, and 8540. 3.2 meter working width, 3.6 meter working width, 4 meter working width, and now 4.7. In layman's terms, 16 feet is what we can mow with now. It is offered in a rubber roller, as well as a tine conditioning unit, just like our other models. And this gives the customer even more cutting capacity to get down the field quickly and get that hay mowed in a short matter of time. As I said, we have roller conditioners and tines. We have one of the widest conditioning units on the market, meaning no plugging and very even conditioning across the whole working width of the machine. Another unique feature to the Kubota mowers is the triple blade design. This is unique to the Kubota units in that we have 3 blades per disc, increasing our cutting capacity and decreasing the overlap between discs, making it a much better cut. Should you want any more information on this particular model or any of the other models I mentioned, please visit Kubota.ca or contact your local Kubota dealer.